What's going on, everybody? It's your boy YZF Official. This video has been long overdue, but I just got this like 2 months ago. It's a 2015 R3, Yamaha R3. So I'm just gonna do a little quick walk around for you guys. I bought the bike used, so yeah. Bike is fully stock. I guess the guy before me, I think he plastic dipped this, so it looked like it's plastic dip. So he did that, and then he took off the stock exhaust for some reason. So I'm gonna have to get like a cheap exhaust and put on there, but for now it's fine. I guess you guys are wondering why I would start off with an R3. Well, I don't have that much experience riding, so I'm just gonna start off small, and in the future I'll probably go up to a R6, and that's gonna be my maxer there. Guess I can start it up for you guys. But yeah, mileage wise, it's just like under 4,000 miles. Well, anyhow, that's my Yamaha R3. If you guys have any question in regards to it, I'll be happy to answer it. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. All right, peace.